So hello guys, I'm sharing with you my buko salad recipes. So my ingredients here is buko, fresh buko, kaong, nata de coco, Nestle cream, condensed milk, cheese, and the fruit cocktail. So I got different color of a kaong and nata de coco because I like to be like a Christmas color, like different color. So, gusto ko yung makulay. So, yan siya guys. Ayan na yung fresh buko. Ayan na yung ating fruit cocktail. So, we need to combine. So, yan lang. So, lagay ko na ng Nestle cream. So, actually guys, pag nalagay ko Nestle cream is 2 is to 1. So, 1 condensed milk, 2 Nestle cream. So, then I put cheese. And then, mix lang. Mix mo lang siya. Then, after that, you taste it and become creamier. And then, you need to transfer on the container and put on the fridge or in the freezer for a while and then bring down to the fridge. Kasi para hindi siya matigas kung baka maiwanan nyo sa freezer at baka tumigas na parang ice cream na. So, that's it guys. My creamy buko salad.